Imagine this. Your AI assistant locks you out of your own home, or a hiring algorithm skips your resume just because of your last name. AI is powerful, but who's actually keeping it in check? Who makes sure it helps people instead of harming them? That's what we're exploring today. How do we control AI? Hey everyone, I'm Cynthia, your friendly guide to the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're talking about how humans control AI. Not just turning it off, but guiding it responsibly, making sure it works for us, not against us. Here's the thing, AI doesn't actually know anything. It doesn't think, feel, or understand. It just follows patterns based on data. If that data is biased, incomplete, or wrong, the AI can make flawed decisions. And those mistakes can affect real people in real life. For example, AI might unfairly reject job candidates, misidentify faces, or make risky calls in medical or financial systems. That's why controlling AI isn't just a tech issue, it's a human responsibility. So how do we actually keep AI under control? There are 3 key ways humans do this. First, human oversight. People still have the final say. In areas like healthcare, education, or law, humans review AI's output and can override its decisions. Think of it as humans being the pilots, and AI as the co-pilot. Smart, but not in charge. Second, built-in safeguards. Developers add safety layers and stop mechanisms. If AI gets something wrong or becomes uncertain, it can pause or alert a human for review. These are like digital bumpers that keep AI from drifting into dangerous territory. Third, laws and ethics. Governments, researchers, and tech companies are creating ethical rules and legal frameworks. Things like fairness, transparency, and accountability. They're building the rules that define what AI can and cannot do. Now here's the challenging part. The smarter AI becomes, the harder it is to predict what it might do next. That's why scientists are developing tools like explainable AI, systems that can show us why they made a decision. They're also testing for bias, so the AI doesn't discriminate. And some experts are even working on AI that monitors other AI, like digital referees, making sure everything stays fair and safe. Controlling AI isn't about fear, it's about responsibility and clarity. So what do you think? Should humans always have the final say when AI makes decisions? Or is there a point where AI can act on its own? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. Controlling AI isn't just about technology, it's about trust. If we build it carefully, AI can be one of humanity's most powerful tools. But without control, it could easily become one of our biggest risks. Thanks for watching. Next time, we'll explore a new question. Can AI be creative? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss it.